Hey everybody, welcome to Step by Step Farming. I'm Yvonne, and today I want to share with you all one of the main reasons you will want to raise pigeons that I didn't know until we bought them ourselves. So these are the pigeons that we currently have right now, and that I did not know until we actually bought our pigeons. We've had them for a few years now, and one of the things that I noticed is that they can sustain almost any type of temperature. So as of lately, where we live, it's been at least in the hundreds. It's been very, very hot. But these birds, I'm telling you, they can do it. They can sustain hot temperatures as long as you make sure that they have some fresh water every day, and they're in a partial shade, but they're getting sun. They do very, very well. Also, we've had really cold temperatures where I live, and let's see, we've had some temperatures that's been in the negatives before, and the pigeons do very well. So as long as you make sure that you every day, if it's cold, if it's freezing, that they have fresh water, they do really well. So these birds can sustain quite a bit. They can sustain freezing temperatures, but they can also do well when it's really, really hot. Reason, if you all are ever deciding or thinking about getting pigeons and raising them, just know that they are very easy to take care of, very easy to maintain. They can sustain hot temperatures, and they can sustain very, very cold, freezing temperatures as well. So this, I feel like, makes the perfect bird. If you ever are thinking about getting something, pigeons is the bird to get. So I just wanted to put it out there to help you all decide. If you ever decide to get the birds, pigeons is the way to go.